In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here you will notice date and time. And now you need to switch off automatic date and time, and at first change date, click on OK, then time, and as you can see from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also change your time zone, smoothly switch off the network provided time zone and pick the one that you want to choose. So at first just pick the region and then time zone. So this is it, that will be all. This is how we can manage date and time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.